Hey everyone, my name is Elizabeth and I am with the Early Social Development Lab with the University of South Carolina. Today, I'm going to share a little bit more with you about what our lab is currently doing to help push the needle for an earlier diagnosis of autism. Currently, children with autism cannot be behaviorally diagnosed until about 2 to 3 years of age. In fact, the average age that a child tends to receive an autism diagnosis in the United States is between 4 to 4.5 years. However, emerging research indicates the presence of certain biomarkers or signs within infancy that may predict an earlier autism diagnosis. Here at the Early Social Development Lab, we are looking to better understand what those early characteristics look like that may predict any kind of social or language delays later on in life. While diagnosing for autism in infancy may seem a little overwhelming and daunting for some families, this really could help families get the supports in place a whole lot sooner for their kids, which could then create positive cascading effects on the infant's development in years to come. In other words, if we can learn how to effectively diagnose for autism within infancy, this could help parents get the right services in place for their children a whole lot sooner while the brain is still developing and when the infant's neuroplasticity is still at its peak. This type of really early intervention could help promote the developmental outcomes for these kids and potentially help to prevent or curb some of the more challenging behaviors associated with autism that may later emerge. Part of our research involves us screening and monitoring infants who may be at an elevated likelihood of developing autism. According to the Yale School of Medicine, younger siblings of children with autism have a 20% likelihood of developing autism themselves. Through this current infant study, we are screening a variety of different infants, but we are especially looking for infants who have an older child with autism. While the majority of infant siblings of older children with autism will not go on to develop autism themselves, for those that do, it's very important that we find more effective ways of identifying and treating these children as soon as possible. And this is what our infant study here aims to do. If you are interested in getting involved in any kind of way, or even potentially participating, find the link below and sign up on our website, and we'll contact you for more information. On behalf of the entire team with the Early Social Development Lab, thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video and for expressing interest in this research. Our hope is that this study will help to change the lives of infants and families who are affected by autism in the years to come. Please share this with anybody that may benefit or find it interesting. Thanks so much. Bye.